Okay, so we're just grabbing a few samples here from this float boulder. You have a red bed copper type deposit somewhere here, and we're trying to locate it. But this float boulder came from somewhere up here, and we found multiple of them, so we sent in a sample and had a decent grade with gold, silver, copper. So we're pulling a bit more off, and we're gonna save some more samples while we're here. So you can see here's a few of the samples we left from last time. So we're gonna hammer this boulder, get a couple more hunks of this, and catalog it. Alright, got a few more hunks here. So we'll clean off a few of these samples and take a look. Okay, so lots of mineralization in these samples. You can see your malachite, azurite staining. So we've decided we're going to take this whole boulder, but we're going to take it in samples, smaller sized. So we're going to keep hammering away, show you all the samples. We'll probably send in another one because we are finding some samples that are better than the last ones we took. We'll clean a few of these off, keep hammering away at the boulder. Okay, so we got a few samples here already. Got another one here. See what else we can get off here. So we split that rock open. Nice amount of mineral all over. You got your malachite staining right here, azurite, lots and lots of oxidization, and chalcopyrite. So we'll probably end up taking this whole boulder with us. It feels like it's going to be about 400 pounds, maybe a bit more, so we'll see what we can carry. So these are the samples we got so far. Take a look at them after. We're about a third of the way done on the boulder. We got it broken into multiple pieces. Okay, so we completely annihilated that boulder. We took most of it actually for samples. We threw away a section which wasn't mineralized, probably about 100 pounds, but we got about 250 pounds here. So let's take a look at some of the samples. We got them all laid out on the back of the truck. So this is what we got. So we'll look at them a bit closer. We're not going to look at every single one because there's several hundred here, but we'll pull a few and take a look, and you guys can see what kind of ore this is. The mineral is chalcopyrite. There's little pyrite in these, if none. You have some magnetite. These are red bed copper type samples. So we have copper primarily, then we have silver and gold. We have a pan over here which we had some of the samples in, and we looked at a bunch of the fines under a jeweler's loop, and you have native silver in here. It's really, really fine, but you do have quite a bit actually. Small little hunks. So really good grade for silver, these samples. I'd say the silver has just as much value as the copper. Okay, so some of these are more mineralized than others. Here's a nice looking one right here. Look at a few of these big ones first. So there is zinc in here as well, but the grade is not enough to make it worthwhile to go for the zinc alone. Lots of ugly quartz in here too. Again, with the rain, it's a little bit hard to see how nice these look. Still look nice, but they look better when they're drier. So you can see up here, starting at about here and going over 100 meters, you have a zone which has a couple showings that we recently found. There's one that was located in 1989, and we're going to be doing some more work there later on in the year when the weather's a bit better. And we're also going to be prospecting that extensively because there's tons and tons of quartz veins and it's all moss covered. So we want to see if we can find where this material here is coming from and hopefully do something with it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. We'll see you guys in the next one, and if you guys want, we're going to have more clips on our other channel from this area, so stay tuned for that. Link is in the description for that channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone.